I lost the F. It's not pristine, but for owning this truck for almost 20 years, it could be a lot worse. That stuff is gonna get cleaned up, and we'll get a new windshield. I'm in the process of restoring this girl. Just rebuilt the whole front end. Needs a water pump. It's leaking. And a few other little things, but well, she still starts and fires. First start in a couple months. She's got headers and 3-inch exhaust from the cat back. They're just Flow Tech shorties. Still running cats. It's cold out here. Muffler. Meant for a diesel, but it works for this.